Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can edit the videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. First, let me close this one. And now I will open up the Premiere Pro again. You'll have this interface. For that, I'm going to create a new project. And I'm going to name the project whatever I want to name it as. You can select the location and you can name the sequence as you want and click on create. And now you have this interface in front of you. And from this part, you can double click here to import the media. It can be your pictures, your videos, and anything that you have. I have these free videos with me. I'm going to drag it down right here. And now I have these three videos with me. If I double click on the first video, I can play it as same as with the other one. Now let's select the part that we want to edit. For example, I have this video and I want the video from this part to just right here. As I don't want the other part, I will just click this mark out option just right here. It will automatically take the mark in from the start and add the mark out point at the point that we have added. Just click on this picture and drag it to your timeline. And by doing so, you can see at the project menu, it will create a sequence for you automatically. Now I can play this video. Just like that. Now let's add the other part as well of this second video. I just only want this part. So I will select the mark out option again and drag it to my timeline. Let's do the same with the third video. And now let's create an in mark and the out mark. Now grab this video and place it right here. So to edit these video, for example, I just only want this part. I will select this video and select this razor tool and cut out this part. Again, I will select the selection tool and select this part, right click and click on clear. As you can see, after clicking on the clear, the space is left out. I'll just press Ctrl Z to undo that. And again, select the video, right click and click on the ripple delete. You can see the part is deleted and the other part just took the place of the previous one. And I'm going to play the video. And there you go. Now you have added your first clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.